Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 1998 to 2002 Audi A8 and S8? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 1998 to 2002 Audi A8 and S8, the passenger compartment fuse box protects a range of electrical and lighting circuits, including parking and tail lights, headlight beams, hazard lights, horn, radiator fan, and secondary air pump functions, as well as spare fuse carriers for various interior and body electrical systems. In the 1998 to 2002 Audi A8 and S8, the relay panels in the passenger compartment fuse handle switching for various key electrical and comfort systems, including starter inhibitor and gearbox safety relays, adjustable seat and seat thermo relays, fog light control, exterior mirror fold relays, hazard warning lights, ABS solenoid and pump relays. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 1998 to 2002 Audi A8 and S8, the luggage compartment fuse box protects rear-end and comfort-related systems such as the ABS hydraulic pump and ABS valves, heated seat circuits, and other auxiliary vehicle power feeds. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 1998 to 2002 Audi A8 and S8, the engine compartment fuse or electronics box protects essential powertrain and emission control circuits, including the engine control unit and injector fuses, automatic gearbox control unit, secondary air pump and coolant pump circuits for petrol V6/V8/V12, and diesel injection system circuits on diesel variants, ensuring core engine management and related systems are safeguarded. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.